What's up, guys? It's Migs with Market Open. As you can see, I am red this morning. Three trades, three red trades. So that means sticking to my rule. I got to be done on the day. Both Tesla and NXPI were both shorts, almost relatively the same, and they got both bought up at the bottom. And it went against me, and I actually ended up taking two trades on NXPI that both went red on me, unfortunately. So let's go over the first trade here. Let's see here. So I went short right under the lows. So I got filled right here at 93.62, 200 shares with my stop over 94.58. I got filled at 62. Well, actually, hold on a second. Nope, I got filled at 94.75. So it's probably, yep, ended up getting filled up here. So as you guys can see, it consolidated sideways here, and the break of that consolidation to the low side would be your entry. Either that or the second candle, which was 93.74. But I got filled on the downside as it flushed. So down here somewhere. Either way, the stop was up here. I was risking $200 on that trade. Ended up going against me. Next couple of candles, so if you see it sold off down here, it didn't really quite reach my target. It's close. Or actually, let's see here. Technically, 92.62 should have been my target, but it flashed down really quickly, and I think I was getting into Tesla. Yeah, so I was actually getting into Tesla right at 937 as it was covering. Let's see here. Yeah, I was eyeing Tesla, SQ, and Spot for an entry, so I must have missed this. Although I most likely would have missed it because it's only 2 cents. You would figure that it would kind of continue on the downside and you'd be able to cover, but no, it just flashed down, hit my target, and it came right back up. Really not much I can do about that one. Ended up losing a little bit more than $200. The next trade was on Tesla. Now this one I thought I was going to be a little slick. I missed my initial entry here since I was eyeing so many shorts. So right here. I wanted to short it right here at 279.50. And I ended up doing that, but not on this initial candle. So I would have been able to get my 1-to-1 down here if I would have gotten my initial entry, but I had so many stocks on my shorts list that I ended up missing the initial entry. I actually ended up shorting 100 shares at 937, which is, I think it was a flash up. So right here at 937, I thought I was going to short it right above 279.50. I ended up actually shorting it at 280.35, which is good. But if you notice, it actually kept going up. This triple top here was going to be my stop. I went ahead and got filled, and it just kept on going. So very unfortunate. There's really nothing I could do about it. I would take this short right here, my initial entry, basically every day. But just statistically, I've had I think it's like 8 or 9 green days in a row now. So this is going to be my first red day. And, you know, this is supposed to happen. You just got to deal with your losses. I ended up losing $121 on Tesla. And then I took one more trade on NXPI. Let's see here. All right, as you guys can see, this downtrend here. And I wanted to short it right here at this little consolidation. The short on this would have been 94.13. I got filled right at my entry price. And I basically just followed it down. I was down already past my $300 limit. It's just so I didn't want to lose much more than what I had already lost this morning. So I basically just trailed it down. Any pop up would be my next stop. So I trailed it all the way down. And I said, okay, well, if it pops up over this, what was it? It was 94.30. Let's see here. I got triggered. Let's go with that first. So I got triggered here at 9:46. It came down, and I got kicked out right at 58. So right here. So this candle, as you can see, it's downtrending. Let's see, let me zoom out here. This little pop-up, I changed my this was my initial stop, then it popped up again. This was my new stop. It popped up again. This was my new stop. So as it decided to change trend, if you see this little wedge kind of forming, it popped up and over this, meaning that it wanted to change directions. It actually would have kicked me out. So good thing that I actually ended up doing that because my stop was over 75, which was here. actually, hold on a second, which was actually right up here. So it would have kicked me out by a couple of cents. It's actually now starting to head a little lower, so it would have kicked me out. I would have lost more money, and it would have gone my way, which is probably even more frustrating. So I only ended up losing, I believe, like $30 on that. So it's not a big deal. Down on the day, $364. You know, there's really not much you can do about it. Statistically, you're supposed to lose a couple of days, and you just have to learn to deal with your losses. If you guys have any questions, make sure to put it down in the comment section below. Also, if you guys do like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have not joined us yet on their Facebook group, make sure to do that. The link will be down in the description below, where I post my watch list for you guys every single day. Lastly, if you guys are curious on how I learn how to trade, I provided you guys with the discount code in the description. It comes with one-on-one mentoring, classes, and buying power, so make sure to take advantage of that. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.